Welcome to our channel. How to configure Virgin Media Hub 3 step by step. Step 1. Power and cables. First things first. Plug in the coax cable. Tight. No loose ends. Power cable in. Switch it on. Wait for the lights to start blinking. If they're solid or just crazy flashing, give it a minute. It's normal, this thing takes its time. Step 2. Placement. Don't shove it in a corner. Don't block the vents. Heat kills performance. Put it on a table or a shelf, open space. Trust me, your Wi-Fi will thank you. Step 3. Connect a device. Grab your phone or laptop. Look at the sticker on the bottom of the Hub 3. That's your Wi-Fi name and password. Connect. Boom. That's your first device online. Step 4. Virgin Router Login. Want to tweak settings? Type 192.168.0.1 into your browser. That's the Virgin Router login page. Username is usually admin. The password is on the sticker. Don't mix it up with your Wi-Fi key, different thing. From here, you can rename your Wi-Fi, change the password, mess with parental controls, whatever you need. Step 5. Split Wi-Fi bands. The Hub 3 broadcasts both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. Sometimes devices get confused and keep hopping, which feels like it's disconnecting. Split them. Give each a unique name. Stick your devices on the right one. 2.4 GHz gives range, 5 GHz gives speed. Simple. Step 6. Update firmware. Check for firmware updates in the settings. Hub 3 gets bugs fixed all the time. Hit update if it's available. Don't skip this, it fixes weird connectivity issues. Step 7. Check connected devices. Go into the settings, see who's connected. You'll spot freeloaders or devices that shouldn't be there. Kick them off if needed. Keeps your network smooth. Step 8. Reboot tip. Sometimes things act funky. Hub 3 needs a reboot. Flip it off, wait 30 seconds, turn it back on. Lights settle, devices reconnect. Works more often than you think. Step 9. Extra tips. Keep it away from microwaves, cordless phones, and thick walls. These things mess with Wi-Fi. Don't overcomplicate it. Location matters more than any fancy setting. Thanks for watching.